Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two finance software management, which is Refreshme and Quicken. So in 2025, Refreshme and Quicken offer a distinct approach to personal finance management. Refreshme is designed for individual and families seeking a streamlined privacy-focused tools or financial tools. It also provides features like a real-time expense tracking, budgeting tools, investment monitoring, and credit score alert, all within a user-friendly interface. The price start at $12 per month per user, with a plan for couples at $22 and families at $32, all included and a free trial. However, Refreshme lacks business-specific functionality such as invoicing, multi-user collaboration, limiting its suitability for business accounting needs. Quicken, on the other side, is a comprehensive financial management solution catering to both personal and business needs. It offers a range of features including budgeting, bills payment, investment tracking, and tax planning tools. Quicken provides various plans such as Simplify at $2 per month for budgeting and service, with a classic deluxe at $2.99 per month for traditional personal finances management, and also business or a plan at $3.99 per month, which a combines personal and a business financial tools with its robust functionalities and flexibility. Quicken is suitable for users seeking all-in-one platform to manage diverse financial aspects. Ultimately, the choice between Refreshme and Quicken in 2025 depends on your specific financial management needs. So choose Refreshme for a focused personal financial or finance tools emphasizing and privacy simplicity, and Quicken for comprehensive solution encompassing both personal and business financial management. So that's it.